I'm John Austin. I'd like to welcome you all to my 780 XT. As you can see, it's fairly well fitted out. We've got the Yamaha Twin 200s, Helm master, fair bit of Garmin gear throughout the boat. Yeah, she's a good thing. So in 2020, I purchased a new 730 hardtop, and I had that, and I put 880 hours on in a couple of years, and thought, all right, it's time to upgrade and go to the centre console. I've always been a centre console fan, so I thought if I'm going to do it, I'm going to get one, and I'm going to go the whole hog, and this is what I've done. I live in Tasmania, which everyone thinks I'm a bit crazy for buying a centre console. As you can see, I'm a bit wet, so. But I do a lot of fishing down the west coast, a lot of cranes, so we do a lot of ringing, diving, and now that we've got a lot of tuna around Tasmania that are popping up across the Bass Strait where I live in Burnie, yeah, we can just pop out the front and use the casting deck and flick stick baits at them all day long and have a great time. I think the fact that we can fish every part of the boat, it's just set up perfect for how I want. Like, if I want to get up the front and do a bit of fishing, I can. If I want to get down the back, I can. I've got plenty of room. I've got so much storage up the front here. Underneath where you use a dive compressor that's permanently mounted. It's just got everything I need. Fridge on board, the lot. We opted with the twin white 200s, and I knew I wanted a white boat, so I thought, well, perfect combination, it'll look good. And then we got the boat wrapped in the same pearl to match the engines, and yeah, absolutely love it. And performance-wise, it's phenomenal. And we're getting about 1.4 kilometres a litre at about 60 kilometres an hour. So really happy with the fuel consumption. It is ridiculous. It's so much fun. Yeah, it's a brilliant boat.